We got a new couch for Christmas! It's almost Christmas, you guys. 5 days away. I am so excited. And today we are going to be doing a mini room makeover right here in our family room before Christmas. Say goodbye to our IKEA couch because we have a brand new sofa from A Living Home that we are about to set up, and I am so excited to show you. So without further ado, let's get started. In this video, I will be putting together the CUBO 4-seat modular power reclining sectional sofa with 2 ottomans from A Living Home. What a fabulous Christmas present for the whole family and a great way to start the new year with a fresh new look. But first, I'm going to take apart our trusty IKEA Ektorp sofa that we have had for about 6 years now, and as you can see, I probably should have vacuumed under the cushions a while ago, but now we're getting everything all vacuumed and fresh and ready to move in the new sofa. Okay, we've got all the boxes to the new couch packed into the living room, and we're going to start unboxing them and putting them together. Our first piece. Wowee. This fabric is so soft and luxurious. I'm already impressed. Not sure what piece that is. But I don't want this to touch the boxes because the boxes are filthy. That may be the backrest that you put the cushion on. I'm not sure. Now this looks like it's a cushion. I'm gonna take it out and let it fluff up. Vacuum sealed in. I gotta be very careful. Now since these fluffy cushions come vacuum packed, you're gonna wanna fluff them up. You can either vigorously shake them up and try to get them as fluffed up as possible. You may need to do this several times over the first 24 hours, or you could easily pop them in your dryer with a few dryer balls on low heat, and that should fluff them up really good. So that's what I'm going to do. And underneath here we have even more pieces. We have the covers to the cushions, another cushion. Everything is packed so well, and everything is labeled. And these are the sofa covers, which I love that they're removable, and this is the softest material. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe I have a couch this soft. This box alone came with all of the hardware and everything for this specific piece, all sealed up inside and labeled per individual piece. It's got all the screws, the legs, and the connecting pieces. The first step is we are going to turn this over and install the legs. So there's 4 screw holes here that we can easily put our legs into. There's even an Allen wrench provided. I love that this sofa has modular pieces that move easily to match your space, mood, and daily flow. This is a large room where everyone gathers to watch movies and hang out and play games, so I thought the 4 seats with the 2 ottomans and the 2 reclining chairs would be perfect for this space. Not only is it big and roomy, it has feather blend cushions that hug you in soft supportive comfort all day. And don't get me started on this fabric, it is so velvety soft and durable. But what makes it even better is the covers are all removable and washable. You have the option to customize this sofa any way to fit your needs, with or without recliners, with or without ottomans, and with as many seats as you need. You can even make this a single recliner. Okay, we've got most of the base is out, and I still have one more to put legs on, but my husband's in the shower. He finally got home. I'm gonna have him do it because this is wreaking havoc on my nails I just got done. But I am having one concern, and I knew about this ahead of time, and I was wondering how it would actually work out, but there are 2 holes here, and that's where you place the headrest. The headrest looks so cozy and comfy, but as you see, I have this table behind the couch, and the top of this couch will line up perfectly with that table. But once I get the headrest on, it is going to block the view of everything on the table. So we'll have to figure out what we're gonna do about that. I may need to see if we can raise the table up. I was hoping that my husband would make me a tabletop for it, so we will see. Maybe that's something that we can work on after Christmas. Now I'm going to attach this piece. It is the back. There are 2 sets of legs that go with it. First I went with the shorter version, and my son was like, that's too short. So I raised it to the taller one, which also accentuates the problem I have in the back here. But it has these legs that you screw on the bottom, so I've already screwed those on, and we're gonna set this up and attach the brackets. And then you lock the pieces together with these things and the little screws, the bolts. You just slide it over, and then it's got this nice little handle anytime you want to take it apart. Well, we've got our cushions all fluffed out and out of the dryer. We're going to insert them into the covers, and first the fluffy one's going to go into this zippered area because it's going to be on top. So we're going to make sure to get it in there nice and straight. This is the exciting part. There's an interior zipper. So we've got that securely zipped in, and now we are going to insert the base cushion. It did take some time, but I was able to put this entire sofa together completely on my own, well, except for the help carrying in the boxes, of course. I put the 2 cushions to each piece in the dryer, 2 at a time, as I was putting together each piece for 20 minutes, and then when they were done, I would put in the next 2 cushions, and I think they fluffed up perfectly. Also, having a sofa with removable, washable covers is so important, especially when you have kids and pets. There are so many convenient features on this couch, such as a USB and USB-C port in the recliner modules tucked right inside the cushion, so you never have to worry about leaving your comfy spot on the couch to charge your phone. Also, I didn't even notice it at first because it blends in so seamlessly to the design, but there are handy little remote slots on the side of the sofa, so you'll never have to worry about losing your remote again. And if you're like me, you love having all the blankets, but maybe you don't always want them out to be seen in the room, there are storage modules underneath the seats and the Ottomans that are not reclining, and perfect for storing all of your blankets or remotes, controllers, whatever it is that you need stored, magazines, books, you can put it in there. I have had a really great experience with A Living Home. My product shipped right away, and it only took like 3 days to receive everything. I know the price points of these sofas are so good compared to competitors at furniture stores. And they do have a limited lifetime warranty, which you could read more about on their website, linked down below in the description box. Alright you guys, we finally got the sofa completely put together and this is the finished look. It is literally the comfiest sofa that I have ever sit on. The fabric is so velvety soft and it is extremely plush. I have never had a plush couch like this. This is gonna be so cozy, perfect for winter movie nights. I can't wait to break it in. I went with the 2 Ottomans so that we can lounge on each side, and then the 2 middle pieces have a remote so it can recline into a laid back position just like you're at the movie theater. Let me know what you think about the table situation. That was the one thing I was worried about. I think I'm going to turn the decor around because it still looks great from this view. But I love how you can just press a button and easily recline the sofas, and it doesn't matter that it's up against the wall or the table or anything. It doesn't take any room at all. It doesn't, look at that. The table is not in the way and it's pushed right up against the sofa. I love that these Ottomans have storage inside. I'm going to store some of our extra blankets in here and then some of the gaming remotes and things over there in that one. And there's also storage under these 2 seats. It's just got this little handle that you can lift up, remove the top, and then place your blankets inside. Perfect. Thank you so much to A Living Home for sponsoring today's video. Make sure you check them out down below in the description box. And that is it for today's video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.